Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be putting Cipher racing seats in the BMW. So right now we're heading over to Home Depot to get some steel tubing, and then we're heading to Micah's house to get some plate, so. Okay, so we have our tube lined up in the vise now. We have it marked at 16 3/8. That's the length we need, so we're going to go ahead and cut that, and then we're going to drill the holes for the seat to mount to, and then to mount it to the car. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're starting to line this up down here. So there's the two brackets we made yesterday, and then there's the plate that's gonna get welded across. So we're gonna go ahead and tack that up now, and then we're gonna take it back to the house, make sure it fits, and then if it does, we're gonna finish welding it all the way around.
I need to stop. I've been doing too much. I've been running too fast. I've been testing my luck. I've been living cloud nine. I've been at it all night. I've been feeling so loved. I've been waking up lit. I've been making up shit. I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day.
Okay guys, so we just got back to my house, and sadly the bracket does not line up. We're pretty close, but our holes, kind of hard for you guys to tell, but they don't all perfectly line up. So we're gonna go ahead and cut those, try it again. We're gonna bring the welder to my house now, so we can just line it up right on here and make sure it all works. So yeah guys, we'll be back.
need to chill. I've been getting my fill, I've been spreading that sex, I've been spinning my wheels. I've been having my ties, I've been loving bad guys, I've been seeking some thrills. I've been wanting one more than I wanted like four, I've been having some guilt. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day for real. I'm living out my dreams like every night. I love my life, but when I open up my blurry eyes, it's not as nice. Fuck my life.
Okay, so we just finished the welds in the car. So as you can see right down here, got those right there. We need to finish welding all the way around the seams, and that'll all be set. I think all the welds look perfect, right? Perfect welds.
Well, not that one.
Okay, that one we're probably
one.
that one right there. We're probably gonna grind down,
And that one.
and then as well as that one.
But if you look, I mean, there are some good ones.
Like these ones are okay.
There's some okay ones.
I need to chill. I've been getting my fill, I've been spreading that sex, I've been spinning my wheels. I've been having my ties, I've been loving bad guys, I've been seeking some thrills. I've been wanting one more than I wanted like four, I've been having some guilt. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day for real. I'm living out my dreams like every night. I love my life, but when I open up my blurry eyes, it's not as nice. Fuck my life.